What's up mga ka-trends? Here's today's update of the NY couple. On today's NY activity, the NY couple is together again having a dinner together with the MK couple. Versus Pirban caption it, a bunch of a happy faces. The both couples are now engaged and happy to their partners. Today, on the Deck's activity, Nadek posted on Instagram sharing a handsome photo of him with his best friend Mark Payne. Nadek was invited on Chanel with Mark Payne, and Nadek captioned it, "This July, Mark Payne Superat, friend of House of Chanel in Thailand, invited his friend Nadek Dimia to reveal the charm of Chanel J12 watch through the digital cover." Hashtag Vogue More, while reviewing and telling about unforgettable moments in life, stories of friendship, love, and personal moments. Follow with interview and fashion set at Vogue.com or click the link. As you can see, both the deck and Mark Prin is so handsome. Today, recess activity, recess Pirban is now in the gym racing boxing with Ali Bunny Ruth. Both then my couple is now go back to their fitness after a long time.